Okay, for number 8, we got a lot to consider. So we're going to start off. It tells us about these parents. I'm trying to write paper here. So we know PKU is an inherited disease. Okay, this disease is called phenylketonuria. We didn't talk about this in class. This disease, you're unable to, I always forget which direction it goes, but you can't metabolize the amino acid phenylalanine into the amino acid tyrosine, like you're missing an enzyme to do that. And so anytime you take in phenylalanine, it makes you super sick, like nauseous and vomity and that kind of thing, and too much of it can kill you. It's one of the things they check for babies whenever they're born, but it is genetically determined, and it's a single gene that determines it. So it's a real common one that you may see on the AP test. But it tells us here that we have a woman and her husband are both carriers, so we know that they are big little. Cross with big little. So that means that 3/4 of their kids would not be affected, and then 1/4 would be affected. If you see any other, I guess I can do that here for you, in case you're struggling. So 3/4 not affected, and then this 1/4 right here has the disorder. All right, so now here's where the probability stuff comes in. Now, really important with each one of these, we have to consider every scenario that is possible. So A is real easy, though. All 3 children will be normal for the phenotype. So that means there's a 3/4 chance for the first one to be normal, and a 3/4 chance for the second, and a 3/4 chance for the third. Now, there's no other way to do that. I'll explain what that means a little bit more whenever I get down to B for you. So that's going to be 3 times 3 times 3, which is 27 64ths. And that is all for number A, or letter A.